Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you that how you can change your language on Rockstar Social Club. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So changing a language on Rockstar Social Club is way simple than you think. So I will be showing you to do that right now. So let's get started. The first step is to go to your internet browser. Here you can see I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can use any browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. After that, go to the search bar and here type in Rockstar Social Club. Here you can see the first link appears is socialclub.rockstargames.com. So just click on this link and this will take you to the official website of Social Club. You can also use the launcher on your system installed, but I'm using this website version. You can use any one that you like to change the language. Both will have the same steps to be followed. After that, you have to log into your account. You can see that I'm already logged into my account. If you are now logged in, go ahead and log in. And if you don't already have a social club account, just click on that sign up button that you see right there and you will be able to create a new account. After that, you will see this interface. On the top right corner, you will see your avatar. This is your profile. Just click on it and then you will be seeing this settings button, which is the last option. So just click on this settings button and this will take you to the settings of your Rockstar Social Club profile. Here you can see there are multiple settings like profile, privacy, linked accounts, avatar, email, and two-step verification. After that, make sure that you are in this profile menu and the last option you see is language. As you can see, the language is set to English right now, but if you want to change that, on the very right of this same column, you will be able to see this edit button. Click on this and you can see this a drop down menu appear. Just click on that and you can choose any language that you like Dutch, Espanol, and many other languages. So let's suppose I want to change it to Espanol. I will click on this and then click on the Save Changes button, and this will change the language of my Rockstar Social Club. So that was it. That's how you can change language on your Rockstar Social Club. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.